In this tutorial, we will be going over how to make footnotes in your paper. So I've got 5 tabs open here over in Chrome. I've got my Microsoft Office Home, Myths and Legends, OneNote, and then the Purdue OWL. I've got 2 other things open. I've got some sources here, biography.com, and this entry written and this story written by Paul Schmitz with the Huffington Post. Privacy policy, got it. Alright, so let's take a look at how to do Chicago-style footnotes. Alright, on my paper, I've got some text here. I will be honest, this is not my writing. This is all from parksbiography.com. I do not recommend doing this and turning it in. That is called plagiarism. I'm simply using this as an example on how to do footnotes, so if you notice that this is all the same as this, it is. Okay, so let's check out our Purdue OWL. We're going to go over here to web sources, because that's where I got the information from, and take a look at footnotes. Right over here, footnote, and then it shows the format of the footnotes right underneath. So let's say I wrote this paragraph, and in that paragraph there's information I got from biography.com's entry on Rosa Parks. I'm going to go ahead and go to the end of that paragraph. I'm going to do insert footnotes, and then I'm going to format that footnote according to this right here. So the first thing I have to do is look at the first name and last name of the author of the site. Now, biography.com does not have an author for their individual pages, so I simply don't have to put anything. Second thing I'm going to look at is title of the web page, and as you can see, that is in quotations. So the title of this web page is Rosa Parks Biography. So Rosa Parks Biography, comma, quotation mark. After that, publishing organization or name of website. So that is biography.com, comma, publication date and or access date if available, along with the URL. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom because biography.com is super useful and actually has this information. Right here, last updated February 27th of 2018. Now, as previously stated, we are doing, instead of month, day, year, we're doing day, month, year. So 27 February, darn it, 2018. Access dates. What's today? 15 May 2018. Can't type today. And finally, the URL. So I'm going to go over here, copy this URL, paste it over here, boom, footnote done. Now, let's say further on in my paper, we're going to say right about here, I need to cite the same source. Super easy. We're going to go ahead and insert footnotes, and because I'm citing the information I had already placed previously, I'm just going to type in IBID. That's an IBID. So I just know that it's the last source cited. Now let's say I get through and I realize that I forgot to cite something earlier on in the paragraph, in the first paragraph. So I'm going to say it was right here. We're going to say this first set of information here I got from a different source that I totally forgot about it. Cool thing is if you insert footnote, it's going to change this what was previously a 1 and a 2 to a 2 and a 3. We're going to pretend I got that information from this Huffington Post article written by Paul Schmitz. Same format applies, but now I actually have the guy's name. Paul Schmitz, comma, and then the title of this, here's tip. That's a long title. I'm not going to type that. I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to click over here to merge formatting. That's going to make it the same formatting as the information around it, comma, quotation mark. And this is from Huffington Post. comma, and what's next? Oh, the date that it was published. So Huffington Post does have dates on things. That's super nice. This was on December 1st of 2014. So 1 December 2014. Access dates, same day, 15 May 2018. And finally, you guessed it, the URL, just like that. All right, so now I've got two different sources. One of them I used twice, which is why it has 3, and my sourcing or my citations for what I have so far are in good shape. That is how you create footnotes.